Yo, what's up, my people? Good day. Happy Sunday. And today, what I want us to do is to create a PayPal account. Okay, so I was setting up Gumroad uh, account, and they requesting that I need to set up a PayPal account. So first, let's just go over here and then set up a PayPal account real quick. So let's go to paypal.com. Let's set this here up, paypal.com. Okay, so it seems like when you're in the Ghanaian region and the Nigerian region, you don't get to use PayPal because it's been blacklisted. So what we're going to do is use another method to create this. So we head down there, we scroll all the way down here, go to countries, and we'll drop down. No, I would have gone for South Africa, but let's go for the UAE, somewhere, you know, Asia, you get me? So we can use UAE because, alright, good. So now that we are here, second thing to do is to start, creating an account. So we go here, we sign up, and we sign up as a business account, not a personal account. And we keep going. Alright, so let me put my name out there. Let me put my name in. Okay, that's my name. And then I'm gonna put my email. Let me pause this real quick, paste them in. Okay, right here, paste in your email, paste in your password, right? So we agree, and boom. Let's see what happens next. So we got an email, we need to confirm that email. I'll save this. Okay, so let's wait for the code. Let's go to the email, click right here, and we've got a code right here. Paste it in there, submit. Okay, so let's wait for this to configure. Alright, activate your PayPal account by using PayPal, blah blah blah. Okay, so we will send you a confirmation. Let's go. Alright, so we select individual seller, okay, and then a business type, individual, right, and then next. Yeah, so let me put in my date of birth and then other stuff there, and my nationality, the phone number, I'm going to change it. And okay, so we do the nationality as Ghanaian, right? And then I'll put in my Ghana number with GH, good, and then my address. So I'll put that in. Okay, good. So I got my information and my number, everything in here. For MP, I just entered into this. So let's go to next. All right, good. So just okay. So all right, your business name. Uh, all this needs to be filled. Business registration number, all of this needs to be filled. So I'll go and then put those in as well. Just give me a sec. Okay, for website, you need to put no, and yeah, just no. So, a business address to use non-residence, and then next. Alright, let's go through their policies. See if we can verify ourselves. Say, well, complete the customer identification process to avoid PayPal account. Okay, good. So let's put our incorporation GH here. All right, all set. So let's visit our email. Yeah, so let's confirm. Okay, now let's log into our email. So this stars. Okay, and let's verify this. Okay, then pass through. So let's do another one. Sometimes you just need to go for all of this. Now I hate when this happens, but yeah, let's still go on with the verification. Verify this and okay, your email is verified. Alright, let's check. Okay, so checkmate. We won. Okay, what I'm saying here. Okay, we want to confirm the information in the PayPal is accurate. We notice some suspicious inactivity account. To understand this better, we need more information. Okay, so you can go here and see more, and then we can, resolve this by uploading an ID, So I'll do this later, but yeah, the goal is to get PayPal account. Let's close this. Go back. Yes, let's let's close this. So the goal is to get PayPal account, and there we have it. So the second thing you need to do is verify your ID and show where you're from. That's it. Because using PayPal you can send money or receive money or withdraw, so you need to upload an ID. Okay, yeah. Alright, so after doing this method, right, you get your account on no suspension. So what they will do is that they'll flag your account for me, right? So you need to upload your ID. So once they do that, they they're going to lift off the restriction from you. You get me? So you'll be able to receive money and yep. So I think that's just about it. So now you can have your account linked up. So I'm going to link my card to this account. All right, give me a bit. Let me do this first. Alright, so as you can see, we have a full total account, right? With high limits as well. You can check the account settings, there's a lot of limits. Let's check the limits right here. Okay, so see, it's unlimited. You can send a lot of money in. This is about like 3 million. Yeah, okay, 3,000. Okay, that's 3,000. Okay, 54K. Okay, that's good. All right, so you can go through the accounting. That's how to get a PayPal account created, business account created. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe as always. Peace out.